I'm feeling high.
Hey, what's up, sweets? It's your girl, Sweet Nessa. If you want to achieve this look, stay tuned. I'm pretty much going to show you guys just 2 of the locks that I did. Just wanted to show you the wrapping method that I use and how many pieces of hair that I use. This look is very easy to achieve. All you have to do is just start out with your hair, twist it out, part it out, all ready to go, so you can just go right through. So you guys just stay tuned. It's coming right up. Guys, I'm super stoked right now. Let me fix my camera. Hold on. Okay, I'm super stoked right now. It may look like my hair is done right now, but it's not. I left 2 out so that I can show you guys the tutorial. Well, the technique in which I do them. So I showed you guys earlier what my hair looked like when I parted it. This is the hair that I used. I'm going to put the description of the hair that I used and how many packs that I used in the description box below, but this is the hair that I used, okay? And I'm also going to try this technique on here as well with this hair. The only thing is I don't know the name of this hair, so this is just extra hair pieces that I had laying around, but I want to add some texture to. I want to add more textures for my hair so I'm gonna figure out what hair this was and I'm gonna put that down. The moisturizer that I'm using is by African Pride, and when I say this is my first time using it, it is it's amazing. It was $5.99 at the beauty supply, and it has coconut oil, I can't say that word, babob oil, and it's a leave-in cream, but this is the important thing. So the key to these locks, you want to hydrate your hair, you want to moisturize your hair. It's going to be locked underneath these locks for a month or 2. You want to make sure your hair is not drying out, especially because this hair can be very drying to our hair. So just make sure you take the time to go through each of your twists. Yeah, so let's get into this. So you want to take 2 of these, 2. Now you'll notice that the ends of these are like, they're pointy. So what you want to do, you want to take the comb and you just want to simply go like that, okay? Because you want to fray it at the end. You don't want these little pieces being hard to blend in. Okay, so right now I have my hair twisted. As you guys can see, I'll push one to the side. I have 2 twists up here. So what I really want to do with these 2, and I save these 2 for last because they'll be like right at the top of my head, I wanted to kind of have these ones be the shortest ones. I'm not going to be putting my hair up in a ponytail or anything. It's meant for me to wear this bob. I want to rock this bob. So you kind of want to offset the hair just a little bit. I just offset it just to make it a little bit longer. It doesn't do too much, but yeah. So you're gonna grab, you know what, guys, let me just bear with me. So I'm gonna hold that one over there just so it's out the way, and I pray that you guys can see this. So let me move. Okay, so you guys see how my hair is. You want to kind of have your hair be right here, and then a little bit of the Marley hair be past your twist or your braid or whatever you use. And I know you guys probably seen this technique of wrapping the faux lock. So basically, I'm just gonna wrap. You hold it at the root, you wrapping around. You just wrap it. You're wrapping. So I'll probably speed this part up. Just wrapping around. And at the top, I kind of like make it a little thicker because I want these to be thick. So I tie it around tight the first time, And then I go back over it a little bit looser because I don't want them to be super loose. And you kind of want to start your locks not exactly at the root. The key to, I feel like, the perfect faux lock is making them look realistic. So if you're putting them in super tight, and I've seen, you know, faux locks where I've seen them in super tight in people's head, and you pretty much see people's scalp kind of like pulsating because it's so tight. But you don't want them to be super tight. You want them to be free flowing. That way if you want to change the direction of them, you can. They're not just stuck in one position. You want them to be free flowing so that somebody sees your hair, they don't know. Okay, so I'm almost at the end of this. So right now I'm kind of just visualizing how short this is going to be, and I'm just going with the flow. So right now I'm not wrapping it very tight. I was wrapping it very tight at the beginning, but now I'm wrapping it kind of looser because I want them to be a little bit bigger on the ends. Okay, so I'm seeing that this I may go down a little bit more because I kind of want to cover my hair. So if your hair is a little bit longer, you're gonna have to twist it up a little bit. Twist it up. I didn't do this for each one, but I'm doing it because I want this one to be short and I don't want my hair sticking out. So right now I just wrap that up. And then what you're gonna do with this little piece that you had hanging out, you're gonna push that up, okay? Now, I can tell that this lock might be too short. So I'm gonna go back and retake out that twist that I just did. But it's good that I showed you guys that though, because, you know, it's good to know. So I'm just gonna continue to just go. I'm not even gonna twist it up. So here we go. Now, as I begin to get to the end, and I'm sorry, I have something in my eye. It's probably right here. So as I begin to get to the end, now I want to twist this up. Like I said before, twist it up. And you're gonna go around it because you want to make a loop at the end. And it's okay if it's a little messy, a little frayed. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is the look that I go for with my locks. This might not be for everybody. Some people like them a little neater, and by all means, you might want to find a tutorial that shows you that. But for this tutorial, I like them messy, I like them natural. So yeah. So when I get to the end, what I like to do is dab a little glue, just a dot, because you gotta remember your hair is in here, so you don't want to penetrate you don't want to put too much glue. So I'm literally putting like a drop, just enough to like close this end. And some people don't even use the glue, but I've tried to do it without the glue and it always unravels, okay? So yeah, guys, that's my lock right there. All right, so I'm gonna do the other one really quick, okay? And I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm like speechless right now because I just can't believe that I did this. Like, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn around for y'all. I'm gonna turn around, let y'all see the back. Yes. The side. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So now comes the fun part. You know, I have the string. I have these little gold pieces, and I'm not really sure what I'm feeling right now. So, for video purposes, I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. Yes, keep it like how they are, or add in that little extra, the extra texture. I might just do it to a couple of them. I'll let you guys know in the description. Well, that's it, sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay blessed.